Today, friends, we are going to be working on science and we are going to be learning two new words. We will be learning the words structure and function. Structure and function. Today, we are going to be talking about a bean plant and revisiting the bean plants that we had previously talked about. So if you guys were in school, you would get to plant your own bean plant. But since you guys are working from home and we don't have an easy way to get all of the materials to you guys, I have a video that we are going to watch. And this is someone who planted a bean seed and they took a video of how it grows over the span of a few days. So we are going to watch the video. And when we're done, we're going to talk about the structure and function of a bean plant. Then you guys will answer a few questions. So this is a bean time lapse. It's going to show the bean seed growing over 25 days. At the bottom, you see the number of days changing. This is day 3. Now day 4. This is what it looks like on day 5. Day 6. Day 7. Day 8. Day 9. Day 10. Day 11. Day 12. Day 13. Day 14. Day 15. Day 16. Day 17. Day 18. Day 19. Day 20. Day 21. Day 22. Day 23. Day 24. And day 25. So here it goes. Sped up times 3. All right, now that we've watched that fun video of a bean plant and how it grows over a span of 25 days, we are going to be looking at the parts of the bean plant and thinking about how the parts help the plant live. Plants have many different parts. The parts of a plant are called structures. You named some of these structures before when we were working on science. The roots, the stem, the leaves, those are all structures of a plant. Each of those structures have a very specific job to do. In science, we call that job their function. Therefore, every structure has a function. So the structures are the parts of the plant and the function are what it helps the plant to do. So remember, we talked about the roots of a plant. The roots of a plant are the part that you cannot see. It is underground. Now in this video, you can see it because they grew it in a clear container and took a video. So these parts right here under the ground in the soil, those are the roots. So let's talk about the roots first. I want you guys to think. The roots are underground and think about the things that you know a plant needs, like sunshine and water, soil, nutrients. Think about those things. What do you think the roots help the plant to do? The roots function, or what it helps the plant to do, is to take up water. So the structure of the plant is the roots, and the roots help to take up water. All right, next, let's talk about the leaves. So let's go back to this picture because we can see it. When a bean plant grows, it has leaves. Leaves are a structure of the plant, a part of the plant. What do you think the leaves' function is? What do the leaves do? The leaves' function is to make food for the plant. So the structure are the leaves, and the function is to make food for the plant. Now, let's talk about the stem. The stem is this part right here that we can see. The stem is the structure. What is the function of the stem, do you think? What does the stem help the plant to do? The stem helps to move water throughout the plant, but it also helps to hold the plant up. Kind of like humans have a spine that helps to hold your body up. We have bones. The stem is kind of like our spine. It holds the plant up and helps move water throughout the plant. So a bean plant, just like all other plants, have structures. They have parts of them that make them up, and their functions are what those parts do to help the plant survive and to grow. So we learned 2 new words today, structure and function. You watched a bean plant grow, and you guys are going to be answering a few questions about what we learned today about our bean plant. And tomorrow we're going to learn a little bit about how leaves help make food for the plant, because I know that you guys are probably curious what that means, how the leaves help to make food for the plant. So we'll learn a little bit more about that tomorrow.